Hello, today we'll have an inside look of the cell. We'll show you how we made our model.
Hello, this is Carlos from Team Capybara, and today we're going to present our edible cell model.
The ingredients we gathered for this to be real were the next ones.
A cantaloupe, an apple, grapes, nuts, gummies, and strawberries.
In this case, an apple was placed as a core, which represents the nucleus. The nucleus houses and the cell's genetic material in the form of DNA.
Also, mitochondria made out of sliced dairy can be seen in the model, as you can see right here. When talking about mitochondria, we're talking about a plant cell. It's called organelle. The most well-known function of mitochondria to generate adenosine triphosphate, the process called
cellular respiration.
As it can be seen in the model, there is a Golgi apparatus, which in this case is made out of a gummy worm. The Golgi apparatus is usually in charge of the packaging and transportation of things like hormones or proteins, to then be discharged through the cell membrane.
We made a rough endoplasmic reticulum out of the combination of two ingredients. These ones being a gummy worm and nuts. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is studded with ribosomes on its surface, giving it a rough appearance. These ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis.
as the cell model was made with melon, the bird can be seen representing what the phospholipid is in real life.
And last but not least, we made a soft endoplasmatic reticulum out of a gummy. Since it is needed to look soft, the cell acts as a detoxification center by processing and metabolizing various harmful substances, including drugs and toxins.
But in the real life, how does a cell work? How does it look like? How does it actually work? Well,
Imagine a cell as a bustling city. Just as a city works with various departments and structures, a cell has its own unique functionality.
So what could be compared to the city's government in a cell?
the cell nucleus acts as the control center, much like a city's government. It contains the genetic information and regulates the cell's activity.
What about transportation in a city?
The endoplasmatic reticulum can be compared to the city's transportation system. It helps to move proteins and other substances within the cell.
And does a city need protection from what's outside?
Indeed.
In this case, the cell wall is in charge of protecting the cell from what's
Outside and letting some things in or out. Made of phospholipids with hydrophobic tail, hydrophilic head. Scientists have developed a groundbreaking technique that uses stem cells to regenerate damaged heart tissue, offering hope to cardiac patients.
This procedure has the potential to revolutionize heart disease treatment and improve patients' outcomes significantly. Imagine how much could it improve in a near future.
Additionally, it's environmentally friendly, as it reduces the need of heart transplants and associated with.
And there's much more we can do thanks to our compression on cells and how they work. Since cells are the smallest unit of living being and compose everything that lives, it's important to understand functionally as well as their composition, because as we've seen today, cells are able to save lives.
Life exists thanks to cells. Every living organism is made out of cells, from elephants to ants and apple trees. Everything started from one many years ago.